yet another Amazon fashion haul video of mine. I didn't shop a lot of stuff, but whatever I have shopped, guys, I am telling you, you're going to love it. As you guys must be knowing that on Amazon, Great Indian Festival sale is going on, so you're going to get 80% discount on all the fashion items and in all the beauty products. And there are some amazing bank offers also going on, guys. If you're shopping via your credit card, debit cards, or you're buying things on EMI, you can save up to 10% of your money. There are some banks which are giving amazing offers like Axis Bank, Citibank, IndusInd Bank. I'm going to provide you a screenshot over here so that you can understand it very well. So guys, let's start today's video with this beautiful kurta and skirt set. It is really beautiful. The color, you know, this magenta color, it is really beautiful. I really like it. So this is how the kurti looks like. All over the kurti you can see this work is done, and this is how the neck looks like. Little bit we're getting a slit over here, and the sleeves are half sleeves, as you can see, and the material is really very soft. With this kurti you are going to get a beautiful skirt. As you can see, this is how the skirt looks like, and the ghera, guys, the ghera is just amazing. And when I wear this kurti, guys, let me tell you, it looks so graceful and I look so beautiful, if I'm not wrong. By the way, this skirt can be worn with many other kurtis, guys, and I'm telling you, the price which I have paid for this, you will be getting this shocked to hear this. I only paid rupees 6.99 for this stuff, and all the links will be given in the description box. If you want, you can go ahead and check it out. I have bought 2 earrings from this brand named Uvela. The packaging was really very bad. You know, the box came in a very pathetic condition, but the jewelry is good. That is the good news. And this is how the jewelry looks like. This is so pretty. This is so pretty. I just can't describe it in words. It is really beautiful. As you guys can see, it is dazzling. There are 2 stones actually, one big one and then one small one, and all over the earring, you know, like there is a border work of black and maroon stone is done, and it looks so pretty when you just match it with the dress and wear it, guys. It is beautiful, and I have paid, I think, rupees 225. It is within 250 I have paid. I will just provide the price somewhere on the screen, and by the way, the links are given in the description box. You can check it out also. So within 250, I think 225 I have paid for this, and this is beautiful. And there are lots of other colors also, guys. If you want, you can just check it out. And let me tell you one more thing, it is not that heavy also. You can wear it, you know, now and then you can wear it. It is not at all heavy, and it is beautiful. Now guys, the next earring looks like this. This is also very pretty and elegant. As you can see, there are some stone work done over here, and little bit of silver oxidized work also you are going to get. And this ball is not a pearl, but something like that. And the best part is it can be paired with western outfits as well as Indian outfit, guys. It is very pretty, very elegant, and very classy. And I have paid only rupees 229 for this, guys, and I feel this is the earring one should have in their vanity. This is really pretty, and you will look like very classy when you wear it. Next, I have with me this beautiful kurta, palazzo and dupatta set, guys. Now first let me show you the kurti. This is how the kurta looks like. It is a maroon color kurta, and the full set is of maroon color. Only the dupatta is different, and that is the thing which makes this kurti so special. Now this is, one sec, oh, this is coming up from the brand Indo Era, and this is how the neck portion of the kurti looks like. You'll be getting a small slit over here, as you can see, and then there are some button work, I'll say, is done over here. Now the kurti is plain, no work is done, and the sleeves, and on the sleeves you'll be getting like this zari work done over here. Now they have sent me the XL size, which is really a bit longer for me. I have to exchange, or I have to alter. Let me see what I can do. And this is how the palazzo looks like. The same over here. The palazzo is a plain maroon color palazzo. Only at the end you will be getting little bit, you know, the zari work is done over here. Now let me show you this dupatta, which is the best part of this kurti. Now This dupatta is really very gorgeous, guys. As you can see, this is really pretty, and this dupatta is really long, you know, really long. And this color makes the set, this dupatta color makes a whole set so pretty. And when you wear it, especially on any occasion or any puja, you know, you look so elegant and so graceful. I really love this kurta set, guys. It is really very beautiful, and I only paid rupees 6.99 for this, guys. And as you know, all the links are in the description box. If you wish, you can check it out. If you have liked this video and found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon. See you all in my next video. Until then, take care. Bye bye.